Wow, these guys look strong. Some of my favourite things all together in one place. Bit of dancing, bit of acrobats, and a big red tractor. And this is a tradition when you come to the Easter show. You have to try the fresh lemonade and cheese on a stick. An epic day at the Easter show in Sydney. Woo! Now just before we get started on today's episode, kids, let me just remind you about our merch items available on our website, like our mini Aussie hat made just for kids' heads. One of my favourites, Aussie socks, with a nice little message reminding you to always stay keen. You can get yourself a sweatband, just like Aussie's, but even cooler, with Aussie's logo. Or a mini replica Aussie tee made just for you kids. Or brand new to our website is our personalised video message made just for you from Aussie. Right now available on our website, OzzieForKids.com.
Aussie, 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 oi! Aussie is a friend of yours and he's a friend of mine.
G'day kids, it's Ozzie here. We have come along to the Sydney Royal Easter Show where city meets country. It is action-packed, full of rides, food, wood chopping, plenty of entertainment for the whole family. So let's get along and check it out. Let's go kids. Never stops here at the Easter show. They've got a roving street parade just cruising through. Look at these guys. How fun is this? Some of my favourite things all together in one place. Bit of dancing, bit of acrobats, and a big red tractor. All right, as I said earlier, the food at the Easter show is one of the absolute highlights, and this is a tradition when you come to the Easter show. You have to try the fresh lemonade and cheese on a stick. I'm gonna work up a bit of a hunger. We'll get some of that later. Now, one of my all-time favourite things to do at the Easter show is check out the wood chopping. It is going to be fun. Let's go inside and see what we can find. Check it out. Wow, these guys look strong. As you can see out there, kids, we've got lots of strong looking men. There are competitors from all over Australia, but if you have a look at the red shirt, that says CAN, pretty sure that's a competitor from Canada, on the other side of the world. How cool is this? Heavy do you reckon those axes are? Do you reckon they're heavier than a watermelon? They look strong. Wow, look at them go! Oh! What? Goodness me. Look at those massive wood chips breaking off. It would take me a week to chop through that thing. Wow, those axes must be absolutely razor blade sharp. Goodness me. Those massive wood chips breaking off.
folks.
Do
We got
not
one more
try that at
special
home.
stunt coming up.
All right, kids, one of the highlights here at the Easter show is all the animals you can see. You follow the animal walk down there to check out the cows, the horses, the pigs, the sheep, the goats. But one of the most favourite one is the farmyard nursery, where you get to pet all those little animals. It's so cool. You should go check it out. Thanks for coming to say hi. Enjoy the rest of the Easter show.
Thank you so much.
All right, kids, it has already been an absolutely huge day. Make sure if you come to the Sydney Easter Show, you give yourself lots and lots of time to explore everything. There's farmyard animals, there's wood chopping, there's high divers, there's motorbike riding, there's horse riding. There is so much stuff. Speaking of lots of stuff, one thing we haven't seen yet is the Easter show bag. Let's go and see what we can find. All right, kids, strap yourself in. We are about to enter the show bag section. In here is a world full of magic, surprises, toys, and all sorts of things. There are show bags for everything that you can possibly imagine. Your favorite brands, your favorite food, even your favorite superheroes. Let's go and find some of the ones we like. All right, kids, this place is jam-packed full of show bags, but I've found one place that has lots of my favorites. Come and check these guys out, showbags.com. So I've found some really cool show bags. It's such a hard choice because there is so many options to choose from, but I love monster trucks. And check out the bag. And it shows everything that's inside it. A really cool hat, get a drink bottle, you get a little game, you get a sticker book, a wallet, and of course, a monster truck. So I reckon that's probably gonna be on my list. And Bluey. Bluey is one of my all-time favorite shows, a great Aussie character. Check it out, you get a backpack, drink bottle, some glasses, a frisbee in a bag, and of course, a pair of slippers. Oh, Bluey slippers, the best. I would love to get a Bluey show bag if I can, please.
Do you want something else?
Can I have monster trucks?
Yes, okay.
This is unreal.
Okay, that's for you.
Oh my goodness, thank you so much.
Yeah.
And I saw one down there. Do you think I could have maybe Barbie? Yeah. Wow. Which one should I get, kids? Which one's the most popular?
I think it's this one, but it's two.
Okay.
It's very cute.
I think I like this one, please.
That's for you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And I think there's one more that I'd like if it's possible. One more. I think one more would be amazing. I've got a little Aussie friend that loves Pokemon. Can I possibly get a Pokemon?
Yes. This one.
Unreal. So in these show bags is everything that's listed there.
Yes, you have everything here.
Unreal. Well, I'll tell you what, I'm pretty lucky, kids. 4 show bags. What a great start. Let's go and see what else we can find. All right, kids, there are so many show bags here that I have found a stand that has some of my favorite cartoons. The cartoon collection stand from showbagworld.com. I love a bit of Spider-Man. I love the Ninja. Oh, it's a hard choice though. Oh, Minecraft is good. Look at all the stuff you get in that. What? Basketball. Love that. You get a basketball in that one. You get a soccer ball in that one. I love a bit of football. Oh, the choices are very, very difficult. Tell you what though, I do have some little Aussie friends that I reckon I'm going to buy a Minecraft bag for. And I have another little Aussie friend that loves Bart Simpson. So I reckon they're my top 2 choices. So, hello, how are ya?
Hi, good, thanks. How are you?
I'm really well. Look, it's been a tough choice, but I think I'd love to grab a Minecraft bag if that's okay,
No
please.
worries, I'll get you that one. Was it just that one for today or anything else?
No, I think that I would love the Bart Simpson one.
Yes.
And I know that there's another choice I have to make because I've got to choose out of the pool table, the air hockey or the basketball. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, these two even backpack.
There's even more choices. Wow. Wow. The clown mask is pretty funny. But I think I'm going to go the air hockey table. Thank you so much.
No worries.
You have a lovely day.
You too, enjoy those.
Yes. Oh man, you're strong. More show bags, more show bags. I think I'm gonna need some chocolate. Oh, white chocolate Milky Bar, Kit Kats, Smarties, Aero. I do like an Aero, but I do love a Birdie Beetle. Birdie Beetle is so popular. Good, how are you? Can I please get a Birdie Beetle bag?
Which one were you after, sorry?
I'm going to go the gold one if that's okay, please.
Anything else for today?
Can I get a Kit Kat bag, please?
That was all?
That's it for today. Thank you. I think I've got enough already. Thank you so much. Have a lovely night. Happy Easter. Yes! All right, it's been a big day. I've got myself plenty of show bags and I've worked myself up a big appetite. It's time for some food. Is it gonna be chip on a stick, the twisty ones? Is it going to be cheese on a stick? Is it gonna be a big burger, a pie? I don't know. Let's go and explore and see what we feel like eating. All right, kids, this is definitely one of the favorites at the Royal Easter Show, the twisty potato on a stick. Check it out. They take these normal potatoes, they twist them onto a stick and they cook them and they taste just delicious. Thank you very much.
Mexican spice.
Woo!
Welcome to the
Let's
show.
find out what the fuss is all about. Is it as good as it looks?
Crispy potato. It's a foot-long chip on a stick, hand spiral, dipped in a light coating, and deep fried till it's super crisp.
Delicious. Thanks very much. That is delicious. Now, did I mention rides? The Easter show is jam-packed full of awesome rides for little kids right through to the big kids and even the crazy ones. Speaking of crazy, check out some of these rides. That ride looks crazy. What, you like my chip on the stick?
Thank you! Thank you!
This is so loud. So much fun. I love fireworks. So cool. To finish an epic day at the Easter show in Sydney. If you haven't already, make sure you get a grown-up to help you hit that subscribe button. That way you won't miss out on any of the new and exciting videos that we put out. Speaking of new and exciting, if there's a video that you'd love to see Ozzie do, make sure you send us a message on our socials, on Facebook or Instagram at Ozzie For Kids. We'll see you again soon, kids. And until then, stay keen. Oh, and by the way, did you happen to find the hidden Aussie icon in that video? Yeah, make sure you look closely because they're in every single video. That's right. Stay keen, kids.
Ozzie, 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 oi! Ozzie is a friend of yours and he's a friend of